This is a table tutorial. You're going to start with insert table and then draw your table. You can also go under insert and then manually type in the columns and rows, and then you click OK. You can always add or delete columns and rows. With the table, you get table tools, design, and layout. These are adjustable. You can make them narrow or wide. Under table properties and layout, here's the properties. You can also right click and go in table properties. You can center the table. You can adjust the rows, columns. It's just center. You will not see it move, but if you right click and we do auto fit, you can auto fit to contents, auto fit to window. As you enter the information, so let's just do table about courses, science, math, and social studies. Let's just put biology, chemistry. Alright, so if you don't need this row, you can right click and you can delete, or under design, under layout, you can delete rows. If you need insert, again under layout, you can insert below, insert above, insert left, insert right. So I'm just going to undo. But these are your delete tools, insert tools. You can merge cells. So say you need to add a row above here. You can take this whole row and you can merge, and it becomes one box. You can modify your text, center, bold. What else? You can put in your own formatting. Let's just get rid of this row up here. So delete row. You can format yourself. So for example, you can put in shading. You can put in borders. So say you want to put a border here. You can go to borders and shading. You can put a border like that. So again, your shading is under design, and your borders, all these options are under design. You can also, if you don't want to do it yourself, these options, you can go under all these different styles and put in your own style. So that's another option. As you're creating your table, this is your selection tool, so you need to select a row, or select the table, or select a cell. It's your selection tool. You can always tab to enter more. So if you need to add more, you can tab over. You can sort. So say we add another one. So let's put in earth science. So if I go here and I sort by science, and now it's alphabetical. So you can sort. So if I move this out of place, Again, I click and drag. And again, I want to sort. It sorts alphabetically. So that's the sort tool. And again, I'm going to undo Control Z to kind of put it back to what it was. The other thing under Home, you can change, actually under Page Layout, we can change to have it centered in the middle of the page. So if you go to Page Setup, and you go under Layout, see the vertical alignment is top. You can do Center, and that's right in the middle of the page. So again, it's under Page Setup, it's under Layout. If it goes to the top, there it goes to the top. Or you go back, Layout, Center. Again, like I said, you can adjust your rows, you can adjust your columns. Now if you have numbers in your table, so let's add some numbers here. Let's just do 20, 30, and 40. And I want to add them up. There's a formula right here. And you can add the sum above and see how it adds the numbers for you. So that's a very basic formula where you can just, again, click on formula, click OK, and it adds the numbers for you. You can change like the text direction. You can see all the different options for text. So if I bring this down a little bit, you can see how it's changing, moving to different places. So that's the text direction. You can distribute rows. So for example, if I click like this, I can distribute rows. I can distribute columns to make them even. So you can use those tools. Now if I merge this into one box, I can then split the table, or I can split the cells into, say, 3 columns, back to what it was. So not difficult. Again, you have all your tools. You have your layout tools. Remember your auto fit. Here's the contents. Here's the window. You have your properties, deleting, inserting, alignment. And that's how we create tables.